Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine, and welcome to our interactive board class. Today I will conduct your class on interactive board, and today I will discuss about cellular organelle, which is plastid. And in my previous classes, we already learned that a cell contains various types of cellular organelle. So cellular organelles are the organelles that are present inside the cell. These are called cellular organelles. And by using these cellular organelles, a cell can perform the physiological functions. Okay? So the cellular organelles are cell wall. Cell wall is a cellular organelle because it is present in plant cell. Cell membrane, it is also a cellular organelle because it creates a membrane around the cell in animal cell. And cytoplasm, protoplasm, mitochondria, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosome, lysosome, cell vacuole, nucleus, and nucleus also contains some inner parts such as nuclear membrane, chromatin fiber, nucleolus, and nucleoplasm. So these are all about the cellular organelles that are present inside the cell. And in my last class I discussed about the structure of plastid and how a plastid functions and how many types of plastid are there. So we learned about the structure of plastid. Plastid is a double-layered membrane-bound organelle. You already learned that. And inside the inner membrane, there is a matrix which is jelly-like, and this matrix contains some disc-like part, and this disc-like part is called thylakoid. And these thylakoid are arranged one by one, which is stake, and these stake of thylakoids are called granum. Yes, and granum are connected through a small channel, and this channel is called granum lamella. And what is the function of thylakoid basically? And plastid is present in animal cell? No, plastid is present in plant cell, and the main function of plastid is to produce food for the plants, because we know that plant can produce their own food by maintaining their own mechanism, okay, performing their own mechanism. And animal cell cannot produce their own food because they don't have any plastid. So the main function of plastid is to produce food, and sometimes they store food for a while. And the main chamber where food is produced is thylakoid, because thylakoid contains numerous chemicals, and inside this thylakoid chemical reactions takes place. Okay, and chemical reactions takes place in combination with water, carbon dioxide, and solar energy that it get from the solar system, sunlight. So in combination with these three components, plant can produce their own food, which is glucose. Okay, and three types of plastid are there. Number one is chloroplast, number two is chromoplast, number three is leucoplast. Very good. So why these plastid are different? Because of their color, different colors. Because chloroplast and chromoplast are not bearing same colors. Are they bearing same colors? The color of chloroplast is green. The color of chromoplast is not green. They possess various colors: blue, red, yellow. So why this chloroplast is green? Because they have a photosynthetic organelle, photosynthetic pigment, which is called chlorophyll. And due to the presence of chlorophyll, the chloroplast is green in color, and they are present in the leaves, green leaves. We know what is the color of leaves? Green. Why these color leaves showing green color? Because they contain chloroplast. And plant also have colorful flowers, colorful fruits. And why the flowers have various colors? Some colors are red, the colors of some flowers are yellow, some are blue. Why they are showing various types of color? Because of the presence of chromoplast. And the chromoplast that contain photosynthetic pigment xanthophyll, it will show yellow color. The chromoplast that contain photosynthetic pigment phycoerythrin, it will show red color. Okay, so because of the, you have to know that because of the presence of various types of photosynthetic pigment, a plant will show, or a plastid will show various types of color. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the structure of plastid in your book, and you can see that this one is the double layered membrane, and the outer part is outer membrane, inner part is inner membrane, and in the inner membrane the whole area is matrix, and these are the small disc, and this disc are thylakoid, and thylakoid are arranged as a stake. These are the stake. Okay, these are the stake, and when the stake are present one by one, it will form granum, and these are the channel, a tiny channel where two granum are connected together. And this image is not clear, I think. So I will show a clear image of plastid. So you can see this one is the outer membrane, and this one is the inner membrane, and inside the inner membrane the whole area is matrix, and matrix contains some disc. This one is disc 1, disc 2, 3, 4, and discs are present one by one as in a stake, right? And this stake or granum are connected by a channel. This one is the channel, and this channel is called granum lamellum. So this is all about the structure of plastid, and plastid also contain DNA inside the matrix. So by using this DNA they can perform their physiological functions, and basically chemical reactions takes place inside this thylakoid. Okay, later I will show a video how this reaction takes place. And this one is another image of plastid. Sorry. Now look at the video. This is green leaf. This is every single cell of leaf. Single cell. Now we enter into the leaf.
What is this?
This is inner structure of cell, and this one is one cell. This is the inner part of plastid. Chemical reactions are continuously taking place. These are energy produced by plastid. Okay. Have you got, or do you understand how chemical reactions are taking place inside the plastid? And this video shows that from the outer surface of the plant, and they gradually enter into the plant leaves, then enter into the cell, then enter into the inner part of cell, and then enter into the inner part of organelle, specific organelle, which is plastid, and you finally have seen that how energy are produced inside the plastid, inside the thylakoid, and at the end of the video, I think all the process is now clear to you, and how much fruitful this video was to you? How much fruitful? Waited. In which cell plastid is present?
Plant cell.
In plant cell. Okay. Sit down. Cynthia, can you tell me the name of some organelles present in a cell? Some organelles name.
Vacuole,
Cell vacuole,
centriole,
centriole.
Golgi, protein, endoplasmic reticulum.
Very good. Sit down. Hafsa, how many plastid are there?
3.
3. Tell me the names.
Oh, chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast.
Chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. So if your friend Nazifa give you a rose flower, it will be, the flower of rose will be red.
Yes, sir.
Which plastid is present in rose flower?
Chromoplast.
Chromoplast. Very good. Sit down. Yashvi. Tell me the function of plastid. What is the main function of plastid? Do you have any plastid in your body?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because plastids are only present in any plant cell.
Plant cell. So what is the main function of plastid?
Sir, produce food.
The main function of plastid is to produce food. Because to eat food, we can buy food from market, we can cook food in our kitchen,
And-
then we can eat. But plant don't have that facilities. Plant cannot move. Plant cannot go to market. They cannot buy anything. So they cannot make any food through the process of cooking. So they have to produce their own food inside their body. That means inside the cell. So this plastid helps to produce food for them. Okay, so main function of plastid is to produce food for the plants. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, my dear student, at the end of the class, I think all of you have understand my whole lecture, and in your next class you have to prepare this lesson, and I will take feedback from you. So thank you for today, and thank you for keeping patience in the classroom. Thank you very much.